Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Sina Uli, renowned as the Samoan goddess of the ocean, mermaids, and beauty. Part 1. Significance of goddess Sina Uli. What does Sina Uli represent in mythology? Goddess Sina Uli holds great significance in Samoan mythology as a powerful deity and guardian of the seas. She represents the profound connection between the Samoan people and the ocean, embodying the spirit of navigation, abundance, and protection. Sina Uli is revered as the goddess of fertility, responsible for the bountiful harvests that sustain the island communities. She symbolizes the harmony between humans and nature, ensuring the well-being of both. Sina Uli's significance lies in her role as a provider, protector, and guide, inspiring the Samoan people to honor the ocean, preserve its resources, and navigate its vast waters with respect and reverence. She embodies the enduring relationship between the Samoan culture and the sea, reminding them of their ancestral roots and the vital connection between land, sea, and community. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Sina Uli. The nurturing navigator, unveiling the archetypal traits of the Samoan sea goddess. Sina Uli, the Samoan sea goddess, embodies a myriad of archetypal traits that resonate deeply within the human psyche. As the nurturing navigator, she represents the powerful archetypes of the caregiver, protector, and guide. Sina Uli's nurturing nature encompasses the gentle strength of a mother, providing sustenance and abundance to her people through the bountiful treasures of the sea. As a protector, she watches over the oceans, safeguarding marine life and guiding sailors through treacherous waters. Sina Uli's archetypal presence embodies wisdom and guidance, illuminating the path for those who seek her assistance in navigating the vast expanse of life's challenges. Her maternal embrace and unwavering guidance inspire reverence and respect, reminding us of the inherent interconnectedness between humans and the natural world. Through her archetypal traits, Sina Uli empowers us to nurture, protect, and navigate our own journeys, fostering personal growth and harmonious coexistence with the seas of life. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Sina Uli. Abundance of the sea, exploring Sina Uli's symbolism and significance. The symbols associated with Sina Uli include seashells, representing the treasures of the sea, and navigational tools like a star compass or canoe, symbolizing her guidance in ocean voyages. Plants associated with her are seaweed or kelp, which represent the abundance and fertility of the ocean. Animals associated with Sina Uli include sea turtles, symbolizing longevity and wisdom, and dolphins, representing playfulness and joy in the ocean. Colors associated with her are shades of blue and green, reflecting the hues of the ocean and its life-giving properties. These symbols, plants, animals, and colors collectively signify Sina Uli's sacred presence, her connection to the sea, and her role in sustaining the Samoan people's livelihood and cultural heritage. Part 4. The story of goddess Sina Uli. A fisherman's blessing, Sina Uli's grace and guidance in stormy seas. Once upon a time, in the heart of Samoa, there was a goddess named Sina Uli. Her presence was felt in the gentle lapping of the waves and the rhythmic melodies of the ocean. Sina Uli embodied the spirit of the sea, with long flowing hair that mirrored the rolling waves and eyes as deep as the ocean's depths. Sina Uli had a special connection with the marine life that inhabited her realm. She swam alongside graceful sea turtles, danced with playful dolphins, and guided schools of vibrant fish to abundant coral reefs. Her compassion and nurturing nature extended to all creatures, and she ensured the oceans teemed with life and sustenance. Legend had it that Sina Uli possessed the power to calm the stormy seas, bringing serenity and safety to sailors caught in tumultuous waters. Her voice resonated with the elements, carrying the wisdom of the sea and the soothing whispers of the wind. One day, a young fisherman named Manu found himself in the midst of a fierce storm at sea. The waves crashed against his small boat, threatening to overturn it. As hope began to wane, Manu cried out to Sina Uli for help. In that moment, a brilliant light emerged from the depths, and Sina Uli appeared before him, radiating with her divine presence. With a gentle touch, Sina Uli calmed the tempestuous waters, allowing Manu to navigate safely back to shore. Filled with gratitude, Manu vowed to honor and protect the ocean that Sina Uli held dear. News of Manu's encounter with the goddess spread throughout the villages of Samoa, and the people began to revere Sina Uli as the guardian of the sea. They built temples along the coastline, where they would gather to pay tribute to her, offering beautiful seashells and heartfelt prayers. Sina Uli embraced her role as a protector and nurturer of the ocean, guiding the Samoan people in sustainable fishing practices and promoting the preservation of marine life. The villages thrived under her watchful eye, as the abundance of the sea sustained them with food, trade, and a deep sense of connection to the natural world. Through the generations, the legacy of goddess Sina Uli lived on. Her spirit continued to inspire the Samoan people to live in harmony with the ocean, preserving its beauty and resources for future generations. Each time a sailor safely returned home or a child splashed in the surf, it was a testament to Sina Uli's enduring presence and the profound bond between the Samoan people and the sea. To this day, Sina Uli remains a beloved figure in Samoan culture, reminding all who encounter the ocean's vastness of the beauty, power, and nurturing energy that lies within its depths. Part 5. 3 strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Sina Uli archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace sustainable living. Draw inspiration from Samoan traditions of sustainable living and apply it to your own lifestyle. Consider adopting practices such as reducing single-use plastic, conserving energy and water, supporting local and organic food sources, and engaging in recycling or upcycling. Honor the wisdom of Sina Uli in being mindful of the resources we consume and seeking ways to live in harmony with the environment. By embracing sustainable living, you contribute to the preservation of the ocean and its ecosystems while cultivating personal growth through conscious choices. Strategy 2. Cultural storytelling and expression. Draw inspiration from the rich storytelling traditions of Samoan culture and use them as a means of personal transformation and self-expression. Engage in creative practices, such as writing, storytelling, or visual arts to explore and share your own narrative. Incorporate elements of Samoan storytelling, drawing on legends, myths, and symbols that resonate with you. Allow the stories and symbols to reflect your personal growth journey and the lessons you've learned. By embracing cultural storytelling and self-expression, you can tap into your inner voice, connect with your heritage, and empower yourself to embrace your unique path of transformation. Strategy 3. Mindful connection with nature. Take inspiration from the deep bond between Samoan culture and nature by cultivating a mindful connection with the natural world. Spend time in outdoor environments such as forests, beaches, or gardens, and engage in activities like walking, meditating, or journaling in these settings. Observe the intricate beauty of the flora and fauna, listening to the gentle whispers of the wind and the songs of birds. Practice mindfulness to fully immerse yourself in the present moment and deepen your appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living beings. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual. Steps. 1. Stand near the water's edge and take a few deep breaths, centering yourself. Dip your hands into the water and sprinkle a few drops on your face as a symbol of purification. 2. Close your eyes and invoke the presence of Goddess Sina Uli, expressing your intention to honor and connect with her divine energy. Take fresh flowers or petals and sprinkle them into the water-filled seashell or bowl, offering gratitude to Sina Uli for her nurturing presence and the abundance of the ocean. 3. As you sprinkle the flowers, express your thanks for the sustenance and beauty provided by the sea. Use Samoan musical instruments to create a melodic rhythm, playing soft and soothing tunes to invoke the spirit of the sea. 4. As you play the instruments, imagine the waves carrying your intentions and prayers to Sina Uli, seeking her guidance and blessings. 5. Listen to the sounds of the ocean, feeling its energy, and the presence of Sina Uli surrounding you. Bow or make a gesture of reverence toward the ocean as a sign of respect and gratitude. 6. If desired, wear Samoan traditional attire and dance, or move gently to honor Sina Uli and the ocean's dynamic energy. A final message. Words of wisdom from Sina Uli. In the depths of the ocean, we find the reflection of our own depths, the vastness of our being, and the power to rise and overcome. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.